Hello, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be testing out more PVA products and see if they'll turn to slime. So in case you don't know, PVA stands for polyvinyl alcohol, and that's one of the main components of slime. This is the stuff that's found in glues, and glues is used in slimes, but there are also other products that use PVA. I've done a similar video like this in the past. This is basically part 2 to that one. If you've seen part 1 of this video, you'll know that the fishing industry uses PVA products because of their water-soluble properties. This product is one of them. These are fishing bags. Judging from the pictures on that cover, I believe this is used to hold a bunch of baits. So these bags can definitely hold lightweight items, but definitely not something heavy because I think that will rip it. The material is really fragile. All I do to dissolve this is to add water and let the magic happen. Because the bag is bigger than my bowl, I had to gradually push it into the water as it dissolves. This one took a bit of time to dissolve, unlike the other PVA products I've tested where it just dissolves right away in front of your eyes. I was scared to add too much water to this because from experience, with just a little bit of water, these products dissolve really fast. But that's not the case for this one, so your girl went ham on that water and I added way too much. And at this point, I almost gave up because I was like, this cannot turn into slime. No. But I didn't give up. I will not give in that easily, okay? I added another bag to this, dissolved that, added some borax to it, and lo and behold, I saw the light at the end of the tunnel. The beacon of hope that I was holding on to has come true because I saw it clumping up. So I was like, okay, I can turn this into slime. So that's what I did. I added more borax to this. Everyone, I have an important announcement to make, and that is this product indeed works and it turned into slime. Yes! No, but seriously, I'm so happy that it works because this is one of the coolest products I've ever tested out. It's so insane that a bag made out of PVA, the stuff that's in glues, can make slime. As you saw earlier, I added too much water, so this slime has a bit of bounce to it. It's jiggly. I've also tried adding just borax, no water, to dissolve this to see if this will immediately turn into slime. Not a good idea. Don't recommend because you'll end up over activating it like way too much and it's just not stretchy and it rips. So you do need water, but you don't need that much. I had some more fun with this and added color. The next product does not have any PVA in it, but I still want to test it out. So this is body glitter. You can put this on your hair apparently. I don't know why you would want to do that, but you can put it on your body. Cool. Never done that. Probably won't. Don't want to deal with the mess, but it's really pretty. I want to test this because peel-off face masks have PVA in them, and that's what makes them able to peel off your face. So if this is body glitter, there must be some ingredient that makes it stick on your body. So I was thinking, can this become slime? Like possibly, I don't know. It has an ingredient called polyethylene. Don't know what that is, but it sounds similar to like the poly family, you know? Maybe that's somehow connected to PVA. So I decided to add some borax. I added a lot of borax and a lot, and nothing happened. It was just there. I got stuck for a few minutes and then I thought, wait, let me try adding one of the PVA fishing bags to this and see if this might help it. I wasn't expecting anything because there was so much glitter, chunky glitter. Add some water, add some borax. Let's see if this will work. It actually did. Surprisingly, it turned this into slime, and it's a pretty decent sized slime. What? All it took was just one bag, one key ingredient. The only issue with the slime is there is some fallout, but I kind of expected that because there's really not that much holding everything together. The texture reminded me of some store-bought slimes where when you poke it, it doesn't really make any poking sounds, but you can still stretch it and it's a little bit jiggly. I originally bought this product for part 1, but I ended up not doing it, so I'm putting it in here. So this is a PVA sponge. Who knew that you can make sponges with PVA? But I can see why. It makes sense. The description literally says that it's made of PVA, so that's what drawn me into buying it. Straight out of the package, it's really hard, but when you add water to it, it gets softer. I wasn't expecting much with this because I don't think sponges can melt that easily. I still wanted to try anyways. I did a lot of trial and error experiments with this. I first soaked it with water, then added some borax to this. I microwaved it many times. That did nothing other than making it really hot to touch. I cut it into smaller pieces, added more borax. I even added the physical powder. I added more of that. That didn't do anything. At this point, I just didn't know what to do with it. So I let it sit overnight and nothing happened. I guess you can't make slime out of PVA sponges. And that concludes this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I uploaded some videos on my second channel. I make Overwatch videos on there, so if you're interested, link in the description, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!